Omnia platform has just received FDA Emergency Use Authorization for COVID-19 antigen testing. The diagnostic tool uses high-frequency, bulk acoustic wave sensors, the technology that can be found in your home Wi-Fi networks, to detect COVID-19 antigens, providing accurate results in approximately 20 minutes. This is Gadgets and Widgets.
Qorvo Biotechnologies, a semiconductor company delivering radio frequency solutions that connect our smart devices, has received FDA Emergency Use Authorization for COVID-19 antigen testing through its new Omnia platform. The diagnostic tool uses high-frequency, bulk acoustic wave sensors, technology that can be found in home Wi-Fi networks, to detect COVID-19 antigens, providing accurate results in approximately 20 minutes.
The Qorvo Omnia platform uses an advanced RF sensor based on our bulk acoustic wave technology that is able to detect mass. So in our antigen test, we can take a sample and then detect mass shifts. We can actually be able to detect how much of the antigen is in the sample.
To help advance the production of the Omnia diagnostic test platform, Qorvo Biotechnologies has been awarded a $24.4 million contract from the National Institutes of Health to help meet the clinical need for rapid antigen testing.
The Omnia platform can actually be used in both traditional and non-traditional testing arenas. So, traditional would be doctors' offices and pharmacies and clinics and hospitals, but it can also be used in non-traditional environments like sporting venues or a cruise ship, as an example. So I think it really does show a new innovative approach to deal with testing during the pandemic.
For more information, visit QorvoBiotech.com.